Anti-Narcotics Force. Introduction. Pakistan's geographic location next to Afghanistan, the world's largest producer of illicit opium, places the country in a vulnerable position in terms of drug trafficking as well as drug abuse. Drug money may be used to finance terrorism or such like acts. Beside this, since Pakistan is signatory to different conventions for controlling drug, therefore, to meet his international commitments, Pakistan promulgated different laws from time to time. Latest of which are Control of Narcotic Substance Act, 1997 and Anti-Narcotics Force Act, 1997. Background. The development of drug use in Pakistan can be seen in three successive as well as partially overlapping phases. The traditional drug use, which still exists in some parts of Pakistan. It involves the use of opium, hashish, charas or cannabis resin, or bhum, a drink made from cannabis leaves. At the time of enforcement of Hudud Ordinance in 1979, that put ban on the cultivation, sale and use of opium, there were approximately 100,000 registered opium users in the country. Beginning in the 1980s, the heroin epidemic reached Pakistan, spreading rapidly through the male population. Female heroin users were unusual, although regional pockets with high levels of heroin use among women were recorded. Anti-Narcotics Force. In 1957, the Pakistan Narcotics Board (PNB) was established in the Revenue Division to fulfill Pakistan's obligations under the International Opium Convention of 1925. The PNB consisted of representatives from the provincial governments and some federal ministries and divisions. Pakistan ratified the Single Convention on Narcotic Drugs, 1961 on August 15, 1965. To meet its obligations under the said convention, the government, through a declaration dated March 8, 1973, renamed PNB as the Pakistan Narcotics Control Board (PNCB). The Anti-Narcotics Force is a unique organization as it not only deals with interdiction of narcotics but also carries out demand reduction activities. Most of the countries in the world have separate organizations for enforcement measures and for demand reduction. In accordance with the UN conventions on the subject, the government of Pakistan has set up a ministry to deal with the multi-dimensional activities associated with the use of illegal drugs. In December 1991, the Anti-Narcotics Task Force (ANTF) was established. In February 1995, PNCB and ANTF were merged to constitute the Anti-Narcotics Force (ANF), which is now the premier law enforcement agency in the field of narcotics control in Pakistan. Mandate: to inquire, investigate and prosecute all offences related or connected with intoxicants, narcotics and precursors. Trace and freeze the asset. Coordinate elimination and destruction of poppy cultivation.